So hey guys, welcome back to my channel JNTUH Explainer. See, today I'm here to speak on a very important topic which needs to be addressed right now. As you all know, TG PGECET counseling is going on right now and most of the students are facing this problem. So let's address the problem in this video. See, as you all know, the college don't have any right to hostage your certificates after you complete your graduation. In the same way, in this video I will be discussing this entire problem, its how it can be corrected and what are the things that you can do to get back your certificates. So the problem statement, what's actually happening to the students of the Telangana or maybe any state. A cycle playing across Telangana right now, that is, you are admitted under the government fee reimbursement scheme that is provided for BC students, SC students, ST students and all the EWS students. So in this reimbursement, you complete your course, the government still owes the college its shares of your fee, sometime for years. See, you all may be thinking that not now, after 2 to 3 months you will get your reimbursement and the college will provide you the certificates. No, as my seniors said me that it even takes 2 years or 2.5 years to the college to get the reimbursement, and the college can hostage your certificates till then. And the second thing is, the college, frustrated by unpaid government dues, refuses to release your original documents. So to get the money as anyhow from the government or from you, they hosted your certificates, which is the most important weapon right now for you and your future. You are now stuck, can't apply for jobs, higher studies or further exams over a dispute that isn't yours. See, fee reimbursement is an issue that should be answered by the government, and it should be answered to the colleges that are providing the education for you. So it's a responsibility between two authorities, not yours. But in between the two authorities, you are the one who is getting pissed off. And see, what are the documents that are usually withheld? SSC memos, we all know it's the most important document in India. Then intermediate marks memo, degree provisional certificates or transfer certificates, and study and conduct certificates. And we coming to the next one. See, it's illegal, we all know, even you know, we know, and even the authorities know, the management knows. But according to the UGC and AICTE rules are crystal clear that as per the UGC Regulations 2018 rule, the UGC Grievance Redressal of Students Regulations 2018 clearly prohibit colleges from withholding or refusing to return any document submitted for admission purposes. See, any document that is submitted to the management while the process of admission should be returned to them when they are graduated or completed the studies from that authority. See, this applies to all universities and affiliated colleges, not a suggestion, a binding regulation. Who all are affiliated to this UGC regulation, they all need to follow this. And there is another body which is AICTE, and as per their policy, AICTE approved institutions are barred from retaining original certificates post verification. See, they are labeled illegal and unethical with stringent action promised against violators. If your college does this and your college are affiliated to AICTE, means they are approved by AICTE, then they can be labeled under illegal and unethical process and they can be prosecuted. So mostly it covers every AICTE approved technical institutions. It may be engineering, it may be pharmacy, it may be management, core colleges included. And next, coming to the fourth one, what the courts have ruled. See, we all know there is a statement that the High Court of Telangana has passed a GO and there shouldn't be any hostage of certificates, but this is not accepted or this is not followed by all the colleges. See, there are some cases that we can see right now, which is Murlidhar versus the state of Telangana, which was appealed this year. Certificates are the petitioner's personal and academic credentials. The college has no authority whatsoever to retain them. When this case was filed against Murlidhar, the court has answered this, and we have second case which was appealed from Harsh Upadhyaya case, who was a student of Keshav Memorial College. He said that withholding a TC over pending government reimbursement is impermissible in law. Certificates cannot be retained under any pretext. This was the same statement which was which was answered by the court by changing some words which has the same meaning. And another one which was Bhashapaka Pragna Vardhini versus the state, who was a student of Mahindra University. See, no lien exists over student certificates. Fee recovery must go through proper legal channels only. See, again the same statement with another words. And we also have PIL by student organizations. Here, practice declared illegal and unconstitutional. Students can't be harassed for government delays. See, every statement here uh, which is written here has the same meaning, but no colleges addresses this. Coming to the fifth one, see what was the government response. TGCHE, TGDTE and JNTUH have also acted too. See, they also reacted this to by saying it's not just courts pushing back. TSCHE as warning colleges withholding diplomas risk being blacklisted and disqualified from government reimbursement consideration entirely. See, they want, but they don't care that whether the colleges are actually dealing with that or no. See, JNTUH directive has said that he has ordered all affiliated institutions to comply and stop withholding certificates following the TSCHE circular. See, most of the colleges which are in Hyderabad are mostly JNTUH affiliated, and all the colleges are withholding the certificates. But has any JNTUH official connected to the colleges and has they appealed that don't withheld? No, right? See, this just a game played from inside. TGDTE intervention. See, severe college case. This is also another case where the TGDTE has intervened. He said that directly instructed a principal to release a student's document without delay, citing illegality and blacklisting risk. If there are 100 students, if anyone has any type of link with the officials, then he can get the certificates, but not the entire 100 students. And there is another High Court ordered help desk. Telangana High Court directed the government to set up a formal grievance mechanism specifically for this issue, and trust me, no one will answer the call. And what are the steps that you can do? See, step number 1, submit a written request. Email or formal letter, reference UGC 2018 regulations and AICTE circular explicitly, keep date proof. See, write a letter where you have to mention that geos and you have to mention the regulations or policies, and you need to submit that. And then in step number 2, give a clear deadline. Within 7 to 15 days is reasonable that you should get back your certificate. This builds your paper trail for escalation later. Okay. And in step number 3, escalate internally. Write to the principal, then the college grievance redressal committee, which are mandatory for under the AICTE and UGC norms. Alright. Then in the step number 4, escalate to TGCHE and TGDTE. File a written complaint citing precedent cases where these bodies directly ordered release of documents. See, you need to follow a path. If one doesn't happen, you need to go to the next path. If that next path doesn't happen, then you need to go to the final step, which is TGCHE. Writing them should be important if none of them accepts your letter. Then coming to the 7th one, if the college still refuses your escalation ladder, even though you went to the TSCHE and no one addresses your problem, then AICTE grievance redressal cell. For all the colleges who are approved by AICTE, for them AICTE approved technical institution file directly to their online grievance portal. See, for the problems like this, AICTE has a separate portal where you can address the issues. And second one, UGC grievance redressal. For degree colleges and universities under UGC, same process, different regulator. And for the third one, Telangana State Human Rights Commission. See, students in multiple documented cases approached TSHRC directly and got recommendation for release. And mostly, trust me, out of 100 students, only some has the day to go to this process and get back their certificates. Most of them don't even think of going till this process. And fourth one, writ petition, Telangana High Court. Strongest and most consistently successful route. Every documented case so far has ruled in the students' favor. See, if it's so important for you and none of them are helping you, you can directly try this fourth method, and you can, there is a chance of 99.9% that you will get back your certificates. And the final bottom line, see, pending government fee reimbursement is a dispute between the college and the government, not a reason to hold your original certificates like a hostages and stop you from aiming big dreams and going for further studies. See, start with a written request today, keep your paper trial, escalate without hesitation, and go till any instant. See, here there is no mistake of yours. So if you have to go to any extent, go till there and get back your certificates. And if you have any problem, comment down.